Hey folks, we're here at Small World, our little tour group. We've got David and Grace and Baptiste and Fiona and Warren and Juan.
Hello.
It was maybe 2 years ago. Who was it? Somebody said, Andy, you must organise a trip for us.
We were part of the conversation.
We had this conversation, and then after a Mbira camp in Devon last year, I thought, yeah, let's do it. So I came in November, December, and Forward was driving, and we talked some more about it, and I arranged with the Mbira player hosts to accommodate the 7 of us. So we're going to go on an adventure. Yeah. I know, like most of our accommodations, we've got beds already arranged, and then the first one, William's place, he's messaged me this morning about some foam mattresses he's bought. He's going to send a picture, so we'll see how that gets on. We've got all our stocks, we've got everything planned, and we'll try and keep you up to date with what we're up to, who we're visiting, and play you some songs along the way. Has anybody got like the most exciting thing they're looking forward to? In the middle of the trip, I've booked for us to stay at the ancient lodge at the ancient city. It's by Great Zimbabwe, and when I first went there last year, I thought this is like something out of James Bond. I sent pictures to the group, and Grace said that looks like something out of James Bond. So we're going to get Wi-Fi there and baths and have a nice meal. So that's the sort of midpoint of our trip. I'm looking forward to taking you all there. It looks amazing. And anybody? Great Zimbabwe. Yeah, it's beautiful there.
I'm looking forward to seeing big boulders balanced on small.
You'll see them everywhere. Yeah.
Nature.
Nature. Yeah. Well, Leonard's place was a really magical stop for us on the last trip. There's dragonflies everywhere, and it's quite remote. Excellent. Well, follow along and wish us luck. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.